SMT Nation, we back. Nation, we got an update from the Coverage Above and Beyond initiative between T-Mobile and SpaceX service Starlink. Let's talk about that here in today's video. Link for the original article from the announcement from the two companies, SpaceX and T-Mobile. I'll provide a link for you guys in the description. Ways to support us can be found there as well. Please do like and share this video. Subscribe if you're new here. And turn on the bell notifications icon to never miss an upload from the SMT. All right, so the original announcement of this partnership between T-Mobile and SpaceX dates back a couple of years. It was, I think, August of 2022. It's like right at the end of the summer. And the whole concept is when T-Mobile doesn't have native terrestrial cellular cell tower network access to customers, they'll be able to connect to SpaceX hardware, which are LEO satellites, for some connectivity. Now, the connectivity is going to be super basic. The concept is to get messaging to work, possibly eventually calls, and then maybe at some point a foray into data sessions. Now, I'm not going to get into the technical issues, but just based on what it seems like is that the launch is slated for the fall, and it appears that mark is going to be met. There was a tweet that was shared with me, or excuse me, a post from X that was shared to me. I was tagged. I forget who tagged me, but shout out to them. From Sarah Spangelo, who made the announcement, and I think Elon also posted it as well. About the satellites launching, right? So I think the end game is for them to have somewhere in the neighborhood of a few hundred of these satellites launched in an orbit to provide the cellular services for this particular purpose. As of right now, at least based on this article and all the most recent publishings, is that SpaceX and T-Mobile's partnership puts them in the catbird seat to be the first to offer the service and to have it launch, and everybody else to be playing catch up. I don't know if that's necessarily the case, but I think the most important thing is that this actually works. I don't know. Do you really want to be in a rush to launch something that doesn't work? That would be my concern. Another concern, besides just the technical aspect and making sure it works, let's say they take care of that. How do they offer this? Is this going to be a service that's included with premium plans? Is it going to be an add-on that you have to pay for? That's kind of a wait and see type of thing. And obviously, this isn't even going to be 5G broadcasting. It's going to be LTE, right? So it's not like it's some kind of cutting edge tech. So it's not out of the realm of possibility that this could all work out and folks be able to use it. Now, I'm one of those people who doesn't really have a need for this. I don't typically go places without cellular terrestrial coverage, but you can imagine, I suppose this could work on a plane. I suppose this could work while you're out on a boat, right, where cellular signals don't reach from cell towers that are on land. There may be some niche scenarios where it could be useful, and you might be in the market for this. So maybe we are knocking on the doorsteps of this launch happening pretty soon. If you guys, you're looking at it, we're in July, right? It's not far from the fall. And the fall, it could be just a couple of months away. The launch could happen, October, as soon as October or November. So we'll see. I'm tracking it. It's exciting. I will tell you guys that, man. It's definitely innovative to have cell coverage to your smartphone, not needing an actual satellite phone. That big clunky phone. I mean, those are obviously more effective than a smartphone, but it's a cool little feature, and I think some people might like it. I don't know who's willing to pay for it, and I'm not sure how much they can sell it for. We'll tell you, there is investment into this project, so I'm sure they want to monetize it. What do you guys think? How will they charge for this? Will they charge for it? Will it launch on time, or is it going to take longer? Is it going to be effective? Comment down below. You all the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.